Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to change the font line height in the PyCharm editor on Windows 10. Adjusting line height can improve code readability and comfort while working. Let's get started. First, open your PyCharm editor on your Windows 10 PC. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the Settings icon. Select Settings to open the configuration window. In the Settings window, find and click on Editor on the left sidebar. Then, click on Font under the Editor section. Now you will see an option labeled Line Height below the font list. Adjust the value to your preference. As you change it, notice the text preview on the left side that shows how your code will look. Finally, click Apply to save the changes, then press OK to close the Settings window. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Changing the font line height in PyCharm helps enhance your coding experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time!